Hi guys, this is your very welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a tour of Play Arena, the premium sports and entertainment destination situated in Bengaluru right here on Sarjapur Road. Whether you are into a conventional sports like football, badminton, basketball and swimming or seeking the thrill of unconventional activities like paintball, bowling, laser tag, go-karting or climbing and quad biking. Play Arena has got it all covered. So it's a vast area where all these games are situated at one place. From adrenaline pumping go-karting tracks to intense paintball battles, this place is designed for thrill seekers of all kinds. And for those who prefer indoor excitement, our ultimate play arena offers a heaven of fun with arcade classics, laser tag, and obstacle courses. Here, the go-karting track was small, but during when we visited, it was slightly drizzling. So I wouldn't request you to take this activity when it is raining or during drizzling time. But apart from that, the track was small, but the vehicles have been well maintained here. So once we come out of this go-karting area, you'll be finding the quad biking as well as rocket ejectors. So you can just try it out. The rocket ejector. It's one of the thrilling activities which you can enjoy here. And here comes the ATV off-road dirt bike racings for all the junkies. Leave behind a cloud of dust as you zoom away on our quad bikes and ATVs. Their vehicles range from 90cc to 800cc bikes. The hills in the background only add to the charm. And here comes the 70 cinema as well as rope ejector. Here you can also experience the ultimate thrill with a rocket launcher shooting you up to 60 feet height in the sky with utmost safety. Please note this activity has a specific health and safety guidelines, so make sure to check those before participating in this activity. But I enjoyed thoroughly this rocket ejector, guys. I would definitely request you to try it out once. You'll have a memorable experience on this. And Play Arena caters to everyone, like from corporate team outings, birthday parties, serious sports lovers, and casual gamers alike. They have well-maintained courts and fields to ensure a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience for sport enthusiasts. While our foodie will be delighted by variety of delicious snacks, meals, and desserts available at wallet-friendly prices. They also have the climbing activity here and skating. This is a skating area, and they have very limited games for kids. I couldn't see much of enjoyable games for kids here. And the right side you can see games for kids where you can enjoy them. And in the mornings and evenings they are conducting the karate classes, and they're going to take a few courses for football as well. So if you're interested, you can just nominate yourself and enjoy the activities. After an action-packed sessions, refuel your tummy with multiple food and beverage options. They offer a top-notch buffet lunches with good variety of veg and non-veg options. perfect for satisfying those hunger pranks after the a day of fun. So this is the food area where you can buy a lot of snacks uh, based on your tastes. So I think pretty much they are like a little bit pricey when compared to outside. But yeah, you can try it out because after you enjoyed so many games, you would be a bit hungry. So you can enjoy those sandwiches and nice ice creams. Next to this cafeteria, we have the indoor games activities which is conducted here. We have bowling, VR games, laser tags, and billiard games inside. So first thing first, once you enter, grab a pair of stylish and comfortable bowling shoes. Safety and style go hand in hand here. Choose from variety of brightly colored bowling balls, each one designed to help you score the perfect strike.
Harder, huh? It's not going. They'll go side, good on, sir, good on. Hey, last one you did this, right? So that's
The ambience is good indoor and feel the thrill as you release the ball, watching it glide down the lane towards the pins. Will it be a strike or a spare? The anticipation is all part of the fun. Here the few lanes are not that well maintained, and in the bowling area I think they could have improved a bit more because few of the tracks was not that well maintained here. So even when we are like aiming for in the middle tracks, it was the ball was going in better. Apart from this, when we recently visited for a team outing, we had an amazing time trying out rocket ejector, archery, shooting, bowling, and go-karting. And the buffet lunch also is around priced around 1200 per head. Offered a good variety, though the number of items were limited. I enjoyed the go-karting as well as rocket ejector the most. And the variety of activities available at Play Arena ensures that something for everyone, all within a reasonable budgets, whether it's rifle shooting, bowling, archery or skating. You'll find a plenty of options to keep you entertained. Thanks to the friendly and helpful staff for making our visit memorable. Whether you are the thrill seeker or just looking for a fun day out, Play Arena on Sarjapur Road delivers an unforgettable experience. That's truly superb. Don't miss out on the ultimate fun experience. Head over to Play Arena for a day filled with excitement, laughter, and unforgettable memories. And one drawback here is like the parking is not that well maintained, guys. So for four wheelers we have limited spaces, and two wheelers it's on the footpath itself. So just uh, plan accordingly and then visit, guys. If you're visiting in on your own vehicles. So if you are looking for an unforgettable day of fun and excitement, head over to Play Arena on Sarjapur Road. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you on the next time. Until then, take care. Bye bye.